Boom! The OBSBOT Tail Air right here. Boom! Could be a webcam, could be a streaming live cam. It's got the NDI technology, AI tracking PTZ, the OBSBOT Tail Air. This one is 4K resolution. You can use this as a webcam. You can use it via HDMI. You can use it via USB-C. OBSBOT. Wow, that's a nice packaging right there. Mastermind on air. You have your quick start guide and your user manual in here. Sweet. The OBSBOT Tail Air. You get the little lanyard and you have the zipper here. Nice zipper. Open up the OBSBOT Tail Air. Wow, look at this thing. This thing is a beast. Of course, you got the USB-C there. You got the AI tracking the PTZ. What does that mean? It does pan, it does tilt, and it does zoom. It's got gesture control. This thing is smart. You got 4K clarity in any kind of lighting situation. This thing is lightweight. You got your quarter 20 thread down here for mounting. You got your 23mm f1.8 focal length lens right there. Wow, look at that lens right there. That's a 23mm f1.8 right there. Nice. So there we go. This is your OBSBOT Tail Air. You have the on-off power button over here, some lighting indication, and you have your power input right there. Boom. So the cables are up here. Let me pull this out right here. Boom. This is the cable. Simple. This one is USB-A to USB-C, and that's how you connect this to your computer. This is the OBSBOT Tail Air. You got USB Type-C right there. You got micro HDMI right there. Micro HDMI. You got your micro SD card right there. You got your 3.5mm audio port right there. Sweet. This is your OBSBOT Tail Air right here. There we go. The OBSBOT Tail Air. Oh yeah.